The decision of whether to keep a cat indoors or allow them outside depends on a variety of factors, including the cat's personality, safety, and the environment in which they live. Here are the main pros and cons of both indoor and outdoor life for cats. Indoor cats are protected from dangers like traffic, predators such as dogs or other animals. They also avoid the risk of getting lost or injured. Studies show indoor cats tend to live longer than outdoor cats due to fewer risks of accidents or diseases. Owners can control what the cat eats, the environment, and their activities, which can lead to healthier cats. Indoor cats often form stronger bonds with their owners, as they spend more time inside with them. Indoor cats may become bored or frustrated if they do not have enough mental stimulation or space to explore. Without the exercise that outdoor time offers, indoor cats may become overweight, which can lead to other health problems. Some indoor cats may develop behavioral problems, like scratching or aggression, if they do not have enough enrichment. Outdoor cats get plenty of exercise and mental stimulation, which helps keep them physically and mentally fit. Cats are natural hunters, and being outside allows them to engage in behaviors like hunting and climbing, which are essential for their well-being. Outdoor cats often have more independence and freedom to explore their surroundings. Outdoor cats face risks such as predators, including dogs, foxes, or coyotes, and fights with other animals, which can lead to injuries or illness. Cats that go outside are more likely to get parasites like fleas or ticks. Flea treatments help reduce the itching, irritation, and skin infections caused by flea bites. Advantage 2 Large cat flea treatment protects outdoor cats by killing fleas quickly and preventing future infestations by targeting eggs and larvae. It's waterproof, easy to apply monthly, and helps keep your cat comfortable and healthy. Advantage 2 Small cat flea treatment quickly kills fleas and prevents reinfestation by targeting eggs and larvae. It's easy to apply and made for cats 2 to 5 pounds, offering gentle, monthly protection. Due to the risks, outdoor cats typically have a shorter lifespan than indoor cats. Some cat owners adopt a combination approach, allowing their cats to enjoy the outdoors in a controlled way, such as with a leash or supervised outdoor time. This way, cats can explore and enjoy the outdoors while staying safe. Ultimately, the decision depends on the cat's personality, the risks in the area, and the ability of the owner to provide a safe, enriching environment.